All right, this is the Arctic Air Chill Zone XL. It is a portable air evaporation cooling system. And right now it's blowing all the way out here, about 4 feet, and it feels pretty cool. You can see it's got lights on it, and it's a pretty nifty little thing. This, I would say, you would have to use on a desk. Point it right at you, because it's not going to cool a whole room. So it doesn't, it's not going to last, 24 hours. You got to do a couple things to make it work, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. Right now I've got it on full blast. All of these things are lit up, and we got the lights on, and we're having a swivel. But to turn it off, what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's off. So the way this works, it's got a USB-C plugged in back here. Okay, pop it out, and you can see how it works. This slides in there like that. You gotta smush it in really good. All right, it's plugged in to your regular wall outlet, just like that. All right, and we fill it with water in here, but you've got to pull this filter out. And this filter is like paper, and what you're gonna do is bring it over here. You're just gonna soak it, just like that. And then, if you look right here, it tells you which end goes up, which end goes to the back. You can see the pointing arrows, but we've got to freeze this. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it in the freezer, and then we'll come back and get it after it's frozen. All right, while we're doing that, we're gonna pour water down in here without missing a beat. There we go. This is really not the best system for putting water in here, I don't think. It runs right past the electrical stuff. But we'll just go ahead and pour right in. Bam, done. Let me turn the light on for a second so you can see. See down there? That's where the water goes. And to see how much you put in there, that's how much you can put in. Right now we've got a little bit in there, not a lot. But you can put it up to that max signal right there. That little line, okay? So we're gonna wait a couple hours. Let me go ahead and turn this off. We're gonna wait a couple hours, and we're gonna go ahead and grab our frozen filter. It's been about 2 or 3 hours. Let's get our filter out. Now I want you to look at this. You see this side up? That's gotta go towards the ceiling, right? And that's gotta go back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it, we're gonna look at that. That's up, and that's to the side. And it's going to go in like this, right? So we got to open this up. And we're going to look here, see that? This side up, this side front. So you got to turn it like that. Slide it down in there. Boom. Now we've got water right here, so we're good. We've got our filter in. This right here, you can move it. You see what I mean? And all we got to do is turn it on. Now when you turn it on, what happens is it goes right to full blast. If you want even more cooling, you're gonna press this button. That's the plus button. All right, you see that? Now, if I press this up here, watch, you see the mist disappears. You see how the mist is gone now? Now when I press it back, it comes back. So you wanna keep that going. This right here is the lights on the bottom, and that'll just change, watch. I can change them. I like that color right there. And then if you want it to swivel, bam, Bob's your uncle. There it goes. And it's blowing all the way out to here. I mean, I'm getting it, I would say, this is how far away from it I am right now. So it does cool. It's not bad. I mean, it's not the greatest solution in the world, but it probably would do in a pinch. All right, now if you want to turn it off, you got to hit it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, done. And that's it right there. Okay, so to put this away, you got to pull this out of there, right? Let it dry off. And then we're going to pop this out of here, unpull this out. And now we got to get the water out of it, right? So the way you got to do that is you want to lean it forward. You don't want it to get on the electrical stuff. So I'm just going to pour it straight out like this. Get it all out. You know, because now we're going to put it away, right? So if you're done with this, this is what you do. Okay, and then this, yep, they were pretty dry. And then this right here, once it's dry, you put it back inside, and bam, now you can go ahead and put it away. Wrap that up, of course. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.